To overdraft with Chime, you will be using a feature called SpotMe, which allows you to overdraft up to a certain amount without incurring any fees. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use SpotMe for overdraft with Chime. First, you need to have a Chime checking account and a Chime debit card. If you do not have these, you can sign up for them on the Chime website or through the Chime mobile app. Next, you need to qualify for SpotMe by receiving a direct deposit of at least $200 or more every 45 days into your Chime checking account. This will help Chime determine your eligibility for the SpotMe feature. Once you have qualified for SpotMe, you can overdraft up to $20 without incurring any fees. If you need to overdraft more than $20, you will need to have a larger direct deposit amount into your Chime checking account. To check your SpotMe limit, you can log into your Chime mobile app, go to the SpotMe section, and view your available limit. You can also see your SpotMe limit when you attempt to make a purchase that exceeds your available balance. When you use SpotMe, the overdraft amount will be deducted from your next direct deposit. For example, if you overdraft $20 and your next direct deposit is $500, your available balance will be $480 after the overdraft amount is deducted. It is essential to keep in mind that SpotMe is not a loan, and you will not be charged interest on the overdraft amount. However, you should only use SpotMe for emergency situations, as it is not a long-term solution for managing your finances. In conclusion, using SpotMe for overdraft with Chime is a convenient and fee-free way to manage unexpected expenses. By following these steps and using SpotMe responsibly, you can avoid overdraft fees and maintain a healthy financial balance. Always review your account activity regularly to ensure you are using SpotMe within your means and making timely repayments to avoid any potential issues.